So I'm driving here, the SL600, looking at the stars. I don't know if you can see the stars on the camera, but it's a beautiful experience. I got the windows up. The car is working beautifully for some reason. I have no idea why. It's working. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. I got I think it's like 60 outside, so it's a little bit chilly, but I got the heat on full blast, and it's a crazy feeling. It's just warm enough to get to your skin and dissipate right there, right when it hits you. So it's like the perfect amount of of heat, and your feet are like super toasty. It's an amazing feeling. Oh, and getting a massage right now as well. Did I forget to mention that? Yeah, getting a massage. So yeah, crazy feeling. This is a crazy car. When it's gonna work well, it's gonna be one of those collector's items. It's a monster, and it drives super well when you want it to, and then you throw on sport mode and it turns into a beast. So anyway, I'm gonna go.